What's good, YouTube? So, your favorite baddie, unicorn, mermaid, princess, Germany bad with 2 D's is back with another video. Clearly, okay? Y'all already know by the title what we about to be doing. Y'all already know by the thumbnail it's gonna come out cute. If you're interested in seeing how I do my ting or whatever, make sure you stay tuned. Now, as y'all can see, I have a retwist. I did my little retwist thing real, real quick, real easy. So now I'm about to take this down, and as y'all know, we're going for her today, okay? Her, okay? I always forget to mention these dope ass names I be coming up with. They be so creative, they be so dope, and I always forget to mention the name of them, but I put it in the thumbnail and it don't even be cool. Like, I don't even get no cool points for that because y'all don't even know that I named these styles. So anyways, I don't know what we naming her or whatever, but she's what we're going for today, okay? Oh yeah, somebody did give me a name on my Instagram. We're naming her Heartbreaker. So I'm gonna take these down, I'm gonna be back, and I don't know really this specific technique I'm gonna use, but we're gonna see. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got the style on my thumbnail, stay tuned, okay? I just I split my ponytail in 2 halves basically, and then I took these 2 pieces out because these 2 pieces is going to be the zigzag part to our broken heart, okay? Let's put a picture up. Now I'm going off of memory, but I'm pretty sure that like in the inside of her broken heart, like the ends of her heart, this part of the heart, pretty sure it got skinnier. So basically all I'm doing to do this, so basically where I'm going with this is, like y'all see it's going out right now, right? So I've been holding it like this, taking pieces like this, wrapping it really as tight as I can, and then tucking it, right? So that's what I've been doing, and as y'all can see, it's going at this direction. When I get to start going to the other part to make the heart go in like this, I'm gonna turn it this way so that now the hair start going back in the right direction. Okay, y'all, so boom, right? As y'all can see where I'm going with this, I did a barrel twist to the end. I did my barrel twist, right? And then when I got to the end here, I put a rubber band on it. Y'all see? To make it like kind of pointy, like, and I made it skinnier here by like it gradually does that anyway. It's gonna do that regardless, so you don't have to worry about trying to like figure out how to make it skinny or nothing like that. That's what I was worried about. That's not nothing to worry about. So boom, I'm gonna do the other side. As y'all can see, this one is supposed to be pulled over more this way, but I'm not gonna do that yet because I don't have my shirt on that I'm wearing tonight, that I'm wearing for my pictures. So, and it's a turtleneck, so I kind of need this to be able to go through a turtleneck, and then, you know what I'm saying, I need to be able to maneuver it the right way, right? But at about this point on this one, I started changing directions. So it's real easy. All you gotta do is, when you're doing it, flip the hair this way, right? And then start wrapping it this way so that it starts to go back into the right direction that we want it to go, so that it can form a broken heart. So boom, this is gonna be my zigzag piece to this side. Obviously I'm gonna zigzag it, but right now, like I said, I gotta put a turtleneck on for my pictures, and I can't put a turtleneck on if I already, you know, got the zigzags, got the heart going, all that. So I can't completely show y'all the final look, but I'm about to show y'all real quick how I got this part for my zigzag. I wanted it really skinny, how hers is. Hers is like real skinny, so that's how I wanted mine. So basically I took my trusty dusty silver wire. If you don't know about this trusty dusty silver wire, you need to go check this video right here. Okay, this is the video where I first ever used this wire right here. Okay, but I took the silver wire, I go right at the root, like right there at the root. I make a loop like this, and then I smush it together so that it's like this. Then I take this wire and I wrap this, kind of how they wrap soft locks, like basically exactly how they wrap soft locks. It's like the exact same way. Okay, I'll push this up as much as I can, continue to wrap it, cut the excess. So then I take this rest of this end piece, and then I fold it up and like squeeze it so that it's grabbing on that last little bit of hair. And so what I'm planning on doing is we're gonna perfect these. This is gonna be this part to the broken heart zigzag. This is gonna be, hold on, this is gonna be cute. I love it. Yes. And here we got our final result. It's fire. It's fire. I love it. This is so freaking cute. So fire, so cute. I couldn't have asked for a better freaking look. I love it. Yes, thank you so much for staying tuned to the end. If you still here, thank you so much for supporting me. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I work really hard on this look, so even if you don't like it, leave me a comment. Let me know if it's an ugly or whatever y'all think it is, but I think it's fire. If you try to say it's ugly, I ain't gonna believe you, because I already know it's fire anyway. So and yeah, so now I'm about to go take my pictures, hence the reason why I changed my shirt. But anyway, sis, make sure that you stay that bitch, because you already know that you that bitch, because Germany bad said that you is, and don't let no tell you that you ain't that bitch. You heard me? Yes, sis. I'ma be back. Man, I gotta maintain. Man, I gotta maintain my grind. Man, I can't stop now. Man, I can't let don't take my shine. Say, man, I gotta maintain. Man, I gotta maintain my grind. Man, I can't stop now. Man, I can't let don't take my